Now it's time for legal advice for consumers in today's Ask the Attorney segment. Paul Benson is here with what to expect from an initial meeting with Torgenson Law. Thanks so much for coming in.
Yeah, thank you, Destry.
I think a lot of people have this question, like, what's going to happen when I go to an attorney? So what's the first thing that clients notice when they walk through your front door?
Yeah, hiring an attorney is one of the worst things, I think, most people. It's like going to the dentist. It's terrible. Before I was an attorney, I never would have even known where to start. I think we're a little bit different. We try to be. The first thing when you come through our door, hopefully you'll see a friendly face. We try to be friendly, convenient, and accessible. We have a small office in the Roosevelt neighborhood, just south of McDowell Avenue, so right around the corner from you guys. We have our own parking. We're not in a high-rise. You don't have to go up a parking garage or validate your parking or anything like that. And we're a pretty small operation. We only have 3 lawyers at the firm, just John, Dan, and I. John, who's normally on the show. So again, just try to be friendly.
What about the initial consultation? What should you expect? Okay, you've gone through the door, you've signed your name in. What can you expect next?
First, the question that people always ask me is does it cost any money? And no, it's always free to come talk to us. We never charge for people coming to talk to us. We don't even have any way to take payment, to be honest with you. So it's never anything that we do would be to charge for that. The next thing is we'll be respectful of your time. A lot of people think they have to take like a day off of work or maybe the whole afternoon, something like that. We normally can get your meeting done in 20 or 30 minutes, and we'll always start the meeting right on time. It's not like if you go to a doctor and
wait and wait.
Sit in a waiting room for 45 minutes. I'll be right there, John will be right there, and we'll be respectful of your time.
Now, what about documents? What do you suggest when people come in? What do they need to bring in to you?
So this is the most important thing. It's really important to bring all the paperwork that you have with your case. Let's say it is a car accident case. Bring in the police report. Bring in any correspondence you got from the other driver's insurance company, medical bills and records, anything that you've collected, a driver's license, all that kind of stuff, so we can sort through and get a complete picture of what happened in your case so that we can help you. If we don't have all those documents up front, we're kind of playing catch up the rest of the case, and it's like putting together a puzzle.
Just have that together.
Yes.
And so during that initial consultation, are you going to look at that, chat with us? What are you going to do?
We are, yeah. We're going to go through all the documents. I mean, again, we try to keep our meetings to 20 or 30 minutes to respect people's time. But yes, we're going to go through, do our best to make sure that we have everything, because we don't want to be trying to put together this kind of complicated legal puzzle when we're missing a piece.
What about promises? What promises do you make to your clients?
Again, and I already mentioned it, we promise that it's always going to be free to come talk to us. You're never going to have to pay out of pocket. Second, we're going to listen. We're going to take the time to talk to the client. Third, you're always going to speak to an attorney. I know sometimes people fear they're going to be stuck just filling out forms and maybe talking to like a staff person, but no, you always get to talk to an attorney. And fourth, we're going to take the time to really slow down and explain, number one, the legal system in Arizona and how it works, and second, how the law applies to that person's case individually.
All right, terrific. Well, thanks so much for coming on. We appreciate it.
Thank you, Destry.
I know a lot of you may have questions for Paul. Well, you can ask him one. It's really simple. That's what's nice. If you go to our website, ArizonaMidday.azcentral.com, and click on the Ask the Attorney tab at the top of our page, just click on it, and you can ask any questions that you want. It's going to take you right to this page. You can also go to torgensonlaw.com or call the number on your screen.